Okay, go ahead, Mama Donata. Go right ahead. I'm so glad you're here. And Mama Donata is both a parent, so I also want her to talk as a parent. She's a parent and a teacher. Uh, Go right ahead.
So this year, I'll be teaching two courses. I'll be teaching, gotta remember my exact titles, African Physical Science, no, As Above, So Below, African Physics and Chemistry. And the title for the class came from a chapter in a book by Dr. Charles Finch. And Dr. Charles Finch has a book called A Star of Deep Beginnings. He speaks about the knowledge of our ancestors predating Kemet, going way, 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 way beyond or before Kemet. And he speaks specifically about the Dogon. So it's an interesting tie-in with what Mama Evelyn's going to be teaching, but I'll be teaching it on the high school level. So we'll spend some time in astrophysics. We'll be speaking about the heavens, and then we'll bring it down to the earth. And when we get down to the earth, we'll be talking about the physics of the earth. We'll be doing kinematics and pretty much kinematics. We might get into some dynamics, but we start out in space. We start out in the universe. We start out in dark matter. We get an understanding of the universe, and we definitely delve into our ancestors' understanding of the universe, how they knew exactly what the origins of the universe are, and shared that information to the world. And now we find that the modern European scientists are saying, yeah, they knew what they were talking about. Of course, they knew what they were talking about. They had a better understanding than the scientists today ever will have. So we'll be speaking about astrophysics, but then after we finish in the heavens, we'll bring it back into the earth. And along with the same pattern that Mama Evelyn's going to be using, we're going to be learning math that supports the science that we're learning. My class will be specifically an Algebra 2 kind of a pre-calc course. So we'll be jumping into some functions and graphing, and then we'll move on from there. But the math that we're learning will definitely support the science that we're learning because they go hand in hand. And the math will be important for them because it will relate directly to the science that they're learning. I think that's it. That describes the two courses that I'm teaching.